Hey now, take a step outside and seize that.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Oblyx here. Today I want to take just a second to see what's inside this here box right here. How y'all doing today? So guys, pick this up from drop.com, formerly massdrop.com. It's a great place to go and find quirky and unusual pieces at a pretty decent price. Now, before we get going, I do want to do a quick wrist check. Today I am wearing the Bulova Precisionist. Now, you guys know I like to coordinate my watch of the day with the watch unboxing if I can. Now, the Bulovas, these guys are, while this one is a quartz with that beautifully smooth precisionist movement, that's not why I'm wearing this guy. I'm wearing this guy because he is an American brand. Old school American brand. So guess what's inside this here box? Let's take a look.
Here we go.
So here we go. The true original Robert H. Ingersoll. So this is an Ingersoll watch. Now, Ingersoll was founded by Robert and Charles Ingersoll in 1892, making it one of the oldest American watches in history. So a lot of horological history in this brand. The brand's definitely had some trials and tribulations through the years. Suffered a lot, was sold and rebought by many different companies along the way. But there's some huge history there as well. Back in 1892, they produced what was called the dollar watch, and wildly popular. The wages at the time were $1 a day, and so you could basically go to buy an Ingersoll pocket watch back in 1892 for one day's wage, and have a inexpensive and reliable timepiece. Back in 1919, they produced the first glow-in-the-dark pocket watch called the Radiolite. Back in 1933, Robert H. Ingersoll met with Disney and got the license to produce the world's first Disney watches. So huge horological muscle in this brand. Over 100 years old. Amazing. Very cool. And look at this packaging. That ain't fake wood, folks. That's wood. Very nice. Let's take a look. Nice little padding. You've got some foam padding here. Got some silica gel we can enjoy later. We got the largest manual I've seen in a long time. A ridiculously heavy, oh my goodness, that is insanely thick. Look how thick that is. Metal. Ingersoll authenticity card. I would not put that in my wallet because it is seriously heavy. But they certify the authenticity of this watch. Now, one extra thing about Ingersoll is their watches come with a lifetime warranty. Name another company that, how many other companies out there are doing that? Very cool. So, if you have concerns about their reliability, it's a lifetime warranty. So here we go. Went ahead and got it undressed for you. This is the Ingersoll Reliance. Model 105501. So let's get you zoomed in so you can take a real close look. So here we go, the Ingersoll Reliance. You can tell we've got implied indices. We've got sword hands, like that the minute hand reaches all the way out almost to that chapter ring. You'll have to forgive the studio lights here. They're really struggling to not reflect into this watch, so bear with me on that. It is highly reflective. There's no AR coating on the crystal. So that dial is, in certain lighting conditions, comes across as black, though it is like a really, really deep chocolate brown, like dark chocolate brown. Goes really nicely with the gold accents on the indices, as well as, the painted gold name. We have Ingersoll and automatic and 100 meters water resistance down here. As well, we got a little adornment around the date window. So we do have that date window at 3 o'clock. No branding on the crown. Nice polish on the side here, and polish around the bezel, and then a little bit of brushwork, circular brushwork here toward the lugs, or polished on this side as well. And if we look at this bracelet, we get a nice little taper going down it. We've got polished in the center and brushed on the sides. It is solid with push pins. We do have folded in links. Of course, it is an automatic, and it is running a Miyota. So Citizen Miyota's inside there. So you're at least getting a quality movement. It's probably an 82. I'm not sure. It's not listed on Ingersoll's site. I'll have to do some research on it and see which one it actually is for the full review. That'll come down the road once I get some time with this guy on wrist. It's a really nice, elegant looking piece. It's nothing bolsterous. I know it's very unlike me. It doesn't have anything crazy about it. It's not, doesn't beep or boop or light up or have funny shapes or anything like that like I would normally wear. It's just a nice, quiet, elegant piece that you could easily pull off in an office setting, in your suit or whatever. I'm digging it. I said I picked this up from drop.com, formerly Massdrop, and I paid $129 for it. Ingersoll's still selling these on their website. They were MSRP'd for $480. Very high for this piece. I would not pay that by any means. They're currently selling them for $240. I do think that's still high, but I do think it is probably worth that $100 price point. Instead I think I paid $129 for it. I believe this is just mineral crystal. I would like to see sapphire there, but that's okay. I do like the display case back. And of course 316L stainless steel all the way around. Some mild water resistance down to 100 meters, so you can just, don't worry about wearing this guy in the rain. It'll be fine. Kind of a nice little everyday wear, in the office kind of watch. And, if it gets trashed, you bang it into a column or something, you're not going to cry because it's only $100. Let's take a quick look at it on my wrist. We'll pop off the Precisionist. And obviously it's not sized yet, so we're just going to have to take a look at it there. That's my 7-inch wrist, and it is a nice filler, but not overly large. It's going to fit most guys fairly well, I do believe. There's a lot of extra space down here. If we go ahead and close up the butterfly clasp, you see we still do have, I'm going to have to remove, probably 3 links out of this guy, for a little bit over an inch. So there is quite a bit of space, if you're have larger wrists. It is a butterfly clasp, not my favorite type of clasp for sure. They definitely look the best when you wear them because you don't have any buckle or any type of. It doesn't change the shape of the bracelet, so that's nice. But you don't get micro adjustments, and I really do like having micro adjustments. So for me, it's a negative, but I wouldn't classify it as a negative all around because a lot of guys really do like butterfly clasps. So it's just a personal touch from me. But that's going to do it for this very quick unboxing of the Ingersoll, 105501, the Reliance. Sure do appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me. Make sure to check back because we will do a full review of this guy after it gets some wrist time. And until next time, you guys get out there, make some noise. See ya.
It goes up.